Hey everyone, welcome to Green Cross Chronicles. Have you ever wondered what a solar eclipse is? It's really cool. It's when the moon goes in between the Earth and the sun. When this happens, the moon blocks the sun's light. This can make the sun look like it's completely gone, or just part of it. This only happens when there's a new moon, and the sun, moon and Earth are all lined up perfectly in a straight line. So, how does this work? Well, even though the sun is much bigger than the moon is much closer to us. This means that when they line up just right, the moon can cover the sun perfectly. The moon's shadow actually has two parts. The darkest part is called the umbra, and that's where the sun is totally blocked. The other part is called the penumbra, and that's where only part of the sun is blocked. Eclipses happen because the moon orbits the Earth. Sometimes, the moon comes between the sun and the Earth, and if everything's lined up just right, we get an eclipse. There are a few different kinds of solar eclipses. First, there's a total solar eclipse. That's when the moon completely covers the sun, and you can even see the sun's corona, which is like its outer atmosphere. Then, there's a partial solar eclipse, where the moon only covers part of the sun. There's also something called an annular solar eclipse, where the moon is a little farther away from the Earth, so it looks like a dark circle surrounded by a ring of light. Finally, there's a hybrid solar eclipse, which is a really rare mix of a total and an annular eclipse. The path of totality is the place on Earth where you can see the total eclipse. Only a few lucky people get to see this. Did you know that we get solar eclipses a few times every year? But a total solar eclipse in the same place? That only happens about once every 375 years. That's super rare. Oh, and one more important thing. Never look directly at a solar eclipse without special glasses to protect your eyes. Solar eclipses are really important for scientists. They help us learn about the sun's corona and even help us understand how gravity works. For a long time, people have thought eclipses were really special events. There are lots of myths and legends about them. So next time you hear about a solar eclipse, make sure you check it out. It's an amazing thing to see. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cool videos about space.